Right, that's us at a sports bike shop in Glasgow, and there's John's cracking GSX S1000 GT. That's the bike that I was looking at a couple of months ago with Willie, in that colour. That's last year's colour. Absolutely superb. But anyway, here we are, sports bike shop. And there's quite a few bikes on display. It's quite busy. So there we are, let's go in and have a look about. It's not as big as I thought it would be, but we've got a lot of stock through the back as well, so that's quite handy. So I just need to find Alex and John. No doubt they'll be up at the clothing section. And they are, I can see them. Hello boys. That's for you. Cardo fitting. You get a nice wee sticker as well, John. Right, let's get this fitted and get a coffee. Right, that was a cheeky wee Starbucks. John's all cardoed up now.
My kids will not get a holiday this year now because of you.
Sorry John, but you have picked guys with expensive tastes. Right. Aye, Starbucks.
Can you not go out that way, no? Go that way, I don't think so. I don't think so. Alright, I'll turn right round there. Hey!
Okay, that's a lot clearer, eh?
Yeah. You didn't bother me crackling as well.
Nah. Now you should be able to sell that Senna.
Yeah, I'm going to. I've got one to sell as well.
Aye, need to get yours on Marketplace.
You get it this way.
Alright.
400 quid for that Senna, so if I put it on eBay for 200 I should get rid of it anymore. That way the cardos only cost me 100.
Aye, exactly.
Hang on, where's Sean?
I'm coming,
I just turning. He could have right round the building.
No, I'm here.
Oh, we could have went right round.
Alright. Yeah, not to worry, yeah.
Watch this fucking hole as we come out.
Aye, that car park was full of holes.
It's a fucking monster hole there, like.
Aye. Fucking hell, look at that hole. That is what you call a pothole.
Fucking hell, man, look at it. We've not got GSs, we can't get that.
No.
Fucking hell, look at the traffic.
I know, it's a fucking joke, eh? What a joke.
Me? It's rush hour or something. No, it's only 2 o'clock.
I know.
It's only traffic.
I mean, they can see you're trying to get out, so they didn't even create a space for you.
Oh, I missed it. I'll get one. I'll get the next one. After this white car, Sean.
Aye.
It's white van.
Right, John, just take it easy. There we are, we're out.
Ciao.
We're out, Alec.
I see you ahead, yes.
I see him. You're just behind that white van, Alec. Alec, can you hear us?
I can just hear you.
Right, we're just coming up here, man. Tell you what, this is much clearer, like.
Aye, it is. It's crystal clear, John. He's in that outside lane.
Lowland Road.
Look.
So it's right at the traffic lights.
Yeah, I see you coming up here. Yeah, there's one car between us, that's all.
That's alright.
You hear us alright, Alec, aye?
I can hear you.
Cool.
What about me?
Yep, crystal clear, mate.
Can you hear me, Alec?
Just.
But you can hear John louder.
A wee bit.
I'm sure you've got faulty ears.
You sound really loud to me.
Aye, you're loud to me.
No, I'm saying, Sean, you sound really loud to me. But
Yeah.
you sound great to me.
Yeah.
I can hear you, no problem.
Perfect.
19 degrees.
Happy days.
I'm showing 20.
I've not got a temperature. And where's all this traffic coming for?
Everybody got a Loch Lomond for the nice day.
Ah, probably. Lovely stone building that. That's the stonemason in me.
Aye, many a night out here, like Helensburgh.
Yeah.
Why?
Everywhere to the naffy to the local pubs and that.
Uh-huh.
Well, that was before I had kids. Me and my wife used to come through and stay with my sister and my then brother-in-law.
Aye, we got married in Oban.
Beautiful place.
Aye. Oh, what a cracking day, eh?
Yep, beautiful.
This summer that we've had.
My visor for me.
Could ask her. Get her to. Aye, this weather, this year the weather's been absolutely crap, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very few days it's been good.
So I saw that. Oh, you wank.
I still made it through the lights.
This ticks over at 1500 revs, and I think it should just be about 1000. It just seems to be over revving all the time, but maybe I'm.
Aye, this
This is
is.
about 1300.
Is it?
Aye.
Mine's is about 12.
Going right here straight line. Right.
I don't know, Ken. Just go straight ahead for the water.
If you head for the water, there's like a promenade down with loads, with loads of car parking
We
spaces.
go right. We go right here.
Go right if you want to go through the town, aye.
Want to pass the car around the back way and go around the peninsula over there.
Right, okay. That's basically a straight road once you turn right there.
See, I don't know this area.
Come on.
I know, it's a fucking joke, these traffic lights. It's just to fucking hold you up. Right, he's turning right.
He's turning left. Just go. You've let your indicator on. Got you.
No feet down. Nice one. Oh, what a fucking smell, eh? That's just raw shite.
Yeah, that's him trying to work on that, isn't he?
That's disgusting. Need to put my visor up to get some fresh air in there.
It's better up here to see it. That's a beautiful view, isn't it?
Aye, it's cracking, eh?
It's greener compared to Cyprus, a shithole.
Well, aye, I know. Last time Alex and I were up here, there was a guy fucking talking to himself and answering his own questions.
You might still be there, Sean.
Aye, you never know, it could be.
There's an half course for me, first time I'm doing the rain, apart from when I was...
There's a CSD cam.
Is it still there?
Aye.
Aye, she's sitting right there.
John, Willie and I rode for 3 days in the driving rain, from Italy all the way to France.
I saw that.
That's how there wasn't a lot of footage for that part of the trip.
Fuck, have we got you?
I think we went straight on. I think we went straight on the last time, Alec.
Aye, this way.
I can certainly feel the chill, eh?
It's definitely dropped in the temps, isn't it?
Aye.
Let's not see drops in September.
Sean, I'm still where we stopped the last time.
Yes, aye. I want to get a look at your car though.
Put your cell phone shot and see if it sounds loud to you. Maybe
Aye.
you can tell if it's...
Aye, that's what I'll do.
Yeah. Hey, it's getting warmer again, the sun's out.
Yep. We're just going to stop up here on the left. That's cracking, eh? Absolutely stunning. Aye, the last time Alex and I came out this way as well, eh, it was absolutely stunning. It was a bit warmer, right enough. It was quite hot.
It's lovely in there, eh?
Beautiful, eh? The water's so calm.
This will be stopped the last time, Sean.
Yes,
Just up here, innit?
it was just a wee car park set off the road.
That's my cafe there.
Right. Just behind that building, Willie, that bus stop thing. That car park in there. Just to your left now.
Roll it backwards.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do this time. Oh, sorry, I'm on your road. Do apologise.
Right.
Oh,
Take your time.
whoops.
That's that same guy. That's that same guy.
It is, isn't it?
Aye.
Is it the guy who was talking to yourself?
Aye.
Right.
I'm sure he's homeless.
There we go.
I'll get in between yous two.
I'm not even going to switch my card off, I'll just leave it on.
Aye. My reversing camera is not working.
Neither's your bleeper.
Nah. Just leave it in gear. Right, I want to get a look at your car though. A bit of an empty house and an angry tenant.